Mr. Mia Zahid. Sir, you are experienced business professional. What do you suggest? What step government should take to support the business to progress?
As far your question is concerned, though government and SPP has initiated various economic relief measures, but I think all these are in short term and unsustainable as the industry is still facing most of the issues and burden. SBP schemes providing financial relief and as well the government has introduced some schemes, but at the cost of industrial survival. After all the businesses sector has to pay back all loans with along with the markup for the period when there is no production and labor is idle while companies has to pay them. Government has issued an ordinance that no business or no company can retrench their excess labor in this scenario when your orders are cancelled. Around 70% orders are cancelled, and the remaining 30% orders for which the business community or the industry is struggling for getting them exported. But there is no environment, and government officials are not cooperating to complete those orders as well. In this backdrop, if an industrial undertaking wants to lay off their surplus employees and workers, government is not willing to allow them, and they are enforcing them or telling you cannot lay off your workers. And for that purpose, they have promulgated an ordinance as well. On the other hand, State Bank has announced a scheme for the retention of laborers and workers, saying that if you are in the problem to paying them salaries, State Bank will lend you money to pay the salaries of the workers, but with the condition that you will not be laying off your excess workers. All that money which the industrial undertaking has to get from the State Bank or the commercial banks, he will pay that money back with the 4% markup. Business community is of the opinion that this money may be on. Hello,
जी
hello.
जी 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 आपकी बात आ रही है.
हाँ जी, बिजनेस कम्युनिटी ये चाहती है कि ये फंड जो आप उनको दे रहे हैं तो ये इसमें कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन गवर्नमेंट का होना चाहिए और इसको जीरो मार्जिन पे होना चाहिए. But ultimately, we are arguing with the government, but government has not listened this so far. Similarly, we are of the opinion that government should contribute with the electricity and energy bills as well, up to some extent. And government has introduced a scheme wherein they are paying commercial bills up to 5 kilowatt and the commercial and industrial bills, electricity bills, uh, they are around 70 kilowatt. We were of the opinion and we suggested government that the 5 kilowatt benchmark should be the 25 kilowatt and the 70 kilowatt should be 200 kilowatt. But so far, government has not understood our this point of view. There are so many things we have asked them for the industrial sector that there should be a reduction in electricity price at least 50% and gas price as well, because government has adequate space with it. In the international market, electricity energy prices have went down. Everybody knows that the petroleum prices are touching to the bottom and the gas prices are getting slowed down. But our government is not ready to reduce, although they have reduced some petrol price as well, petrol and diesel price as well. But there is a need of at least 50% cut down in the electricity and the gas prices as well. If government do so, we can say that our cost of production will went down and we will be in a sustainable manner, and we will be in sustainable position. And by this way, there will be a good environment to run our industry and commercial ventures as well. And the business community will be standing on their own feet. And we will be able to compete with our competitors, and maybe we will be able to revive our exports and business environment as well, and we will be able to retain our extra workforce as well. These were our few suggestions, and similarly, we requested the government that there are, I have earlier said that there are around 20,000 containers lying on the port, and we requested the government that there should be some scheme to lend money to clear out that log from the port to pay the. Yes, there is another problem. We have asked the government that government should promulgate some legislation wherein they ask the uh, uh, shipping companies and the terminal companies that they should allow some discount or rebate to the business community whose containers were found in the at the port on the lockdown days, because there is no fault of them. And there should be some legislation that on those days when there was a lockdown, there should be no damage and the detention charges. But so far, government is not able to get some sort of legislation on this subject as well. There are some other issues with the government in this present budget. They have introduced some measures regarding audits, regarding appeals. When the commissioner appeal passes the order against you, you have to deposit 10% of the money which they have ordered against you. Only then you will be able to file an appeal against that order. Government, instead of providing us the environment, conducive environment, they are rather going on the other side, and they are further trying to squeeze us. In that scenario, I don't think that we would be able to work in a sustainable basis. That's it.
Thank you, sir.